Have you ever wanted a personalised golf putter? Well, here at Sync Golf, Ollie has just purchased a brand new Dugard 760 for that exact process. Let's see if it's up to par. Ollie, we're stood in front of your Dugard 760. Who are Sync Golf?
So Sync Golf, I'm based in the UK, West Sussex. I make and manufacture milled golf putters.
How did that come about?
So 4 years ago, I was living out in New Zealand, got into the CNC manufacturing, engineering on the milling machine, came home, absolutely loved it, and pretty much went from there. Went and bought a 2008 Dugard in an auction 4 years ago, brought it in, got it in the factory, didn't even know how to turn it on, sort of phoned Dugard, and they were unbelievable. They were absolutely brilliant. Pretty much went from there, just learned off the back of like YouTube, all the social media, sort of Instagram, learning all off that, and yeah, pretty much went from there really.
So then you acquired another Dugard 760 basically to increase your production?
Pretty much. So went full-time Sync Golf in January just gone, and it's just gone from strength to strength really. I've just got so busy, couldn't keep up with the one machine sort of manufacturing. Yeah, so went out and no one else but Dugard.
Wow, that's
local,
fantastic.
Down the road.
That's amazing that you've kept with it, and it's exactly the same machine, just up a different era. What materials are you machining on this machine?
So the two types of material is 303 stainless steel and mild steel.
How does the machine cope with that?
Oh, brilliant! Yeah, sort of the stainless on it is absolutely superb. Yeah, excellent.
So are you doing different processes? I see the 3-axis machine, so you're doing like one up on one and the other up on the other?
So now with the two machines, I can now do one up on the new one, the first up on the new one, and then do the facing and sort of the other up on the second machine, and yeah, it's brilliant for that. I inquired about the machine about 3 months ago, and it all happened so fast. Mark at Dugard was brilliant. He sort of said, Ollie, we've got one that's coming in, do you want it? And it just happened really fast, and went with it, and the delivery process was brilliant.
So you've got some additional features that you haven't got on the other machine. Like a swarf conveyor, chip conveyor. How much does that mean to you? How much time does that save you?
Oh, well, it just saves so much time, and it means I'm able to keep the machine running for longer throughout the day, rather than having like breakdown times trying to clean it and obviously get the swarf out. So it's been brilliant in that aspect, sort of thing.
What run hours are you running on this machine? Does it vary?
It does vary. It depends how sort of fine detailed the build is. Sometimes it can be running time of 8 hours a day, or other days it might be 3-4 hours. I've recently done a job of like an accessory on the green, and the machine was running night and day consistently for 4 days straight.
Wow.
And it was superb.
No problems?
No problems at all.
And if there are any problems, can you go to Dugard and feel safe?
Definitely. The service there is brilliant. Sean and the team have always been excellent. I mean, they're only up the road as well, sort of 40-minute drive, so yeah, it's been great. It's been really good.